welcome to my channel. I am your Madhav Rudra Ganesh. Today I am going to tell you math test paper 1 of Navodaya. Okay, let's see the first question. The first question is, which of the following statement is correct? Means what is asking means in these 4 options, which sentence is correct? Okay friends, let's read out the first option. 0 is an odd number. Tell friends, 0 is an odd number? No. 0 is an even number. 0 is an even number? No. 0 will not divisible by 2. 0 is a prime number? No. 0 is not a prime number. Fourth option, 0 is neither odd nor even number. Yes friends, 0 is not odd and 0 is not an even number. 0 is an whole number. Yes friends, 0 is an whole number. So our correct answer of first one is D. 0 is neither odd or nor even number. Now the second problem. What is the sum of the place value of 5 in number of 5, 8, 4, 3, 5, 6? Means what is asking means what is the place value of this 5 in this number? So now where we have 5 in this one? Let's take this as first one 5. Okay friends, leave this 5. Now let's count ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So this 5 is in place value of lakhs. Yes friends. So let's see. Now our first option is 10. So our 5 is not 10. Yes friends. It's not a 10. So second option, let's see. In this number we have 5 in tens place and in lakhs place. But in first option we have answer 10. So this is not our option. Now this one. This is 50,050. Means our 5 is there in 10,000s place? No. This is 5,050. So our 5 is there in thousands place? No. Now the fourth option, 5,50,000. Our 5 is there in lakhs place? Yes, there. So our correct option is fourth one again, 5,50,000. Okay friends. Now the difference between the third question, the difference between the greatest and the smallest 5-digit numbers formed by the digits 0, 3, 6, 7 and 9 without repetition is, means what is asking means what is the difference between the 5-digit numbers of greatest and smallest values. We should do that greatest and smallest values of 5-digit numbers with these numbers 0, 3, 6, 7 and 9. Okay friends, let's take a rough paper. So okay friends, now I have taken a rough paper and I wrote a number here. See friends, so I wrote this number with these numbers, with this 0, 3, 6, 7 and 9. They asked us to do this 5 digits. We should do a greatest to 5-digit number with these numbers. So I did the greatest 5-digit number is 97630, and now we should do the smaller. Now the smaller one is 3079. Okay friends, so now we should find the difference between these both numbers. So let's do the subtraction friends. Let's borrow this number to 0. We will get 10. Here we will be remain 2. So from 10 we did minus 9, we will get answer 1. Again we will do here borrow 12 and here we get 5. So now 12 minus 6, our answer is, wait friends, 12 minus 7 we should do. So 12 minus 7. So 12 minus 7 is 5. Yes friends. and from 5 minus 6 we can't do. So again we should take borrow. Again we will get here 5 and it will remain 6. Now 15 minus 6. Now our answer is 9. Yes friends. Now here we have 6 minus 0. 6 and 9 minus 3 is 6. So we got here difference between these both values is 66951. Now let's see in the options it is there or not. See friends, we have that answer 66951. So our correct answer is 66. I will tell you the fifth problem. Using the different digits, find the smallest number of 4 digits in which 9 is in tens place. So in these 4 options, which the 9 is in tens place. In these 4 options, we have 9 is in tens place. See friends, 9 is this both 9s in tens place. This both 9s also in there in tens place. So in these 4 numbers, which is the smallest number of 4 digits? Okay friends, this is 1290, this is 1092, this is 2091, and this is 2190. So in this 4 option, what is smaller one? The second option, 1092. Okay friends. Now the sixth one. The sixth one is, which is the smallest 5-digit number formed by digits 5, 1, 6 when 2 digits can be used twice. So what it is asking means, in these 3 digits, at least 1 digit should come twice in a number in these 4 options. So let's check it. 11,565. So here we have 5, but after 5 there is not and twice number of 5. So it is not and the correct option. Now the second one, 51,156. So here we have again 5, but it is not twice. Here also not twice. Here also we have 6, but it also don't have the twice number of 6. Now the third one, 11,555, 6. So in these numbers 5 has and twice number. See friends, this is 5 and this is 5. This is our twice. So let's check in this also. In this 11, 6, 5, 5. But in this both before numbers, first we have 6. So we should get here the first 6 as twice. But we have got here 5 as twice. Thus this is also not correct option. Our correct option is third one, 11,556. Now the seventh problem I will tell you. Okay friends, now I will tell you the seventh problem. In which of the following numbers only have one prime number live? Means he is asking, in these following options, in one option there should be one prime number live. Okay friends, so let's see. 40 and 50, there are prime numbers? No, they are not prime numbers, because it will come more than in 2 tables. It is also more than 2 tables. And second one, 60 and 70, it will also come more than 2 tables. 80 and 90, it will also come more than 2 tables. The fourth one, 90 and 100, 90 will come in more than 2 tables. 100 now. So our answer is 7th one. Okay friends. Now what is quotient when 76076 is divided by 13? Means what is asking, when you divide this number with 13, so what is your quotient? So let's divide that number first. First let's take the 13 table here. So 13 1 ja 13, 13 2 ja 26, 13 3 ja 39, 13 4 ja 48, 13 5 ja 65, 13 6 ja 74. So let's take 13 6 ja. Okay friends. Or else we can take 5 also. Let's take 5. So 13 5 ja 65. Now let's do minus. From 76, if we minus the 65, how much we will get? Okay friends, 11, right? Now let's take down this 0 down, we'll get 110 now. Now again we'll do 13 6 ja 74, 13 7 ja 13 7 ja, let's take 13 8 ja 104, right friends? Let's do minus. Now what we'll get? The answer is 6. Now we will get 67. Okay friends, 67. Again we can take 13 5 ja 65. Okay friends, 13 5 ja 65 minus 2. Now we will get the 26. So 13 2 ja 26, right friends? 13 2 ja minus 0. So our answer is, we got the remainder as 0. So our question is 5852. It has in our option, let's see. See friends, we have 5852. So 8th question answer is 5852. Okay friends. And now I'll tell you the 9th one. Which one is the smallest number? See friends, in these 4 options, which is the smallest number? First one, 7413 is our, and second one 7130, third one 7985, fourth one 7545. So now in these 4 options, what is the smallest number? The smallest number is 7130, because here we have 7413, here we have 7985, here we have 7545, but in second option we have 7130. So that's why our answer is second one. Okay friends. Now the third question in our video, the last question. Okay friends, so listen, the difference between the smallest number of 6 digits and the largest number of 4 digits is, so difference between the smallest number of 6 digits and the largest number of 4 digits. So what is the largest number of 4 digits and the largest number of 6 digits? Now see, the smallest number of 6 digits is this is our smallest number of 6 digits, and the 4 digits of greatest number is, see friends, 999. Now let's do the minus. We'll get here 10 if we borrow, 9 9 9. Here we also have the 9. Yes friends. Now 10 minus 9, 1. Right friends, 9 minus 9, 9. 90001 is our answer we got. Yes friends. So here what we have the options. So our answer is first one, 90001. Okay friends. So this is the video of the Maths Test Paper 1. In another video I will come with Maths Test Paper 2. Okay friends, so please subscribe my channel and like and share this video to your friends and family, and bye.